Hello friends, so this is Gilma infrared thermometer. This is a non-contact IR thermometer. So as we can see, the features are provided here. It has 30 sets of data memory, easy to use, 6-month warranty, 15-second auto shut off, measuring time is 1 second, measuring distance is from 2 to 5 centimeters. It has infrared measuring, sound and light warning is also present. So this is from Gilma company. So I think they have multiple products, and this side we can see few features. Green backlight. We have okay. So based on the temperature, it will display with the different colors on the LED: green, orange, or red backlight if the fever is more than 100.4 degree Fahrenheit, and yellow display if it is more than 99.2 or below 100.4. And it has some manufacturer details here, and yeah, we have a couple of buttons and LCD screen. So let's see inside the box. So we get a user manual and then the device itself, and also we get AA size batteries, AAA size batteries, which I have already put inside this device. So by the way, this is manufactured by Stovecraft Limited. So this is also a household appliances company, and we have a couple of buttons here. One is for changing the temperature measurement from centigrade to Fahrenheit. Then we have the mode. So this mode is used to switch between surface mode and body temperature mode. So we can also measure the temperature of a wall, or liquid, or like any surface floor or anything that you want to take. You can use surface mode, and when we are measuring for a person, then we would use the body temperature mode. And we also have a memory, so this memory will retrieve the previously measured values. And this is a screen that we have here. So if we just want to measure the temperature of this paper, so we will take like 2 to 7 centimeters, 2 to 5 centimeters distance, and then it shows 36.3. Yeah, summer. Okay, so this is currently in body mode, by the way, so we have to change that before we measure anything. So this is um, I mean, if you're using for measuring only body temperature, then it's fine. But if you want to switch to surface temperature mode, you always have to click on this button and then measure it. So 33.1. But if I come to body mode, and for body mode usually use Fahrenheit, so let me switch to Fahrenheit, and then I use my hand and check. So 97.8. So usually I found this is like a couple of degrees below the normal one, like 0.4 or 0.3, but otherwise this does give the accurate values. And if you there is no button to switch it off. It switches off in 15 seconds if you are not using it, and then you can just click on this trigger to take temperature again. So it's a easy one. So if you want to directly check memory, you can check like this. So the previously mentioned body temperature is 97.8, and previously measured surface temperature, you can always uh, switch to the degree Celsius and all. So it records. So it records where you took the temperature also, like it was taken for surface, it was taken for body, it was taken for surface, like that. Yeah, I think it is useful. So it can store like 30 or so records that way, the log. So it's a very I see it's a good product. And here we can have the batteries. It takes AAA batteries. You can use normal zinc carbon batteries also. No need to use only alkaline or anything. So it works with any batteries. Yeah. So that is all, friends. I think it is a good one. You can go for it. I will provide link in the description. Thank you for tuning to my channel and watching this video. I will come back with another video. Until then, see you. Bye.